Hi everyone, and welcome back to Senior Wisdom Daily, where we help you stay strong, sharp, and healthy with simple habits that truly make a difference. Today's topic is something many people never think about, yet it may secretly be affecting your energy, your immune system, your breath, your sleep, and even your heart health. Let me start with a question that might surprise you. Are you unintentionally damaging your health without even realizing it? Many older adults follow the same hygiene habits they've used for decades. A warm shower, brushing teeth, washing hands, routines that feel familiar and comforting. But as we age, the body changes. The skin becomes thinner, circulation slows, the immune system becomes more fragile, and even small lapses in hygiene can have bigger consequences than they did years ago. The surprising truth is that there are 5 commonly neglected body parts that almost nobody cleans correctly. And when these areas are ignored, harmful bacteria, yeast, sweat, and dirt can quietly build up. Over time, this can lead to infections, inflammation, bad odors, gum problems, balance issues, poor sleep, and even health conditions that affect the heart and brain. The good news is that none of this requires expensive products or complicated routines. Sometimes, just a few minutes of mindful cleaning in the right places can genuinely improve how you feel. I learned this from a conversation with a geriatric specialist who told me something that completely changed how I look at hygiene. As people age, hygiene becomes less about looking clean and more about keeping the body functioning well. And she was right. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 hidden areas most people don't clean properly, and why taking better care of them may add comfort, confidence, and even years to your life. As always, my goal here at Senior Wisdom Daily is to make things simple and practical, so you can start making small changes today that will support your health for years to come. Now, let's begin with one of the most overlooked areas of the body: your tongue. Most people brush their teeth every day, but very few think about the tongue. Yet your tongue is home to hundreds of kinds of bacteria, both helpful and harmful. Think of your tongue as a soft, textured sponge. It traps food particles, dead cells, and bacteria in its small grooves. When these layers build up, they don't just cause bad breath. They can weaken your sense of taste, irritate your gums, and even allow bacteria to enter your bloodstream. This becomes especially important for older adults because the mouth naturally produces less saliva with age. Saliva keeps the mouth clean, so when production decreases, the tongue becomes an even easier hiding place for germs. Over time, these germs can lead to gum problems and inflammation, and in some cases, even contribute to issues like heart disease or respiratory infections. Cleaning your tongue properly takes only a minute or 2, yet the benefits are tremendous. Many seniors notice that after a few weeks of daily tongue cleaning, food tastes sharper and fresher again, something that can be especially important if you've lost some appetite or enjoyment in meals. You also lighten the workload on your immune system, which won't have to constantly fight off excess bacteria coming from your mouth. Another thing many people don't realize is that tongue scraping can help reduce dry mouth odors, which brushing alone cannot fix. Even dentists now strongly recommend tongue cleaning as part of a healthy routine, especially for adults over 60. To clean your tongue effectively, you don't need anything fancy. A simple tongue scraper from the drugstore works well, and even the back of some toothbrushes has a scraping surface. The key is to gently scrape from the back of the tongue forward, removing that thin layer of film that collects throughout the day. You don't need to press hard. Think of it like wiping a dusty countertop. After a gentle scrape 3 or 4 times, rinse your mouth with water or mild mouthwash. Morning is the best time because bacteria build up overnight, but a light cleaning at night can also help you sleep with a fresher, cleaner mouth. If you have a sensitive gag reflex, you can start scraping closer to the middle of your tongue and gradually work your way farther back over time. Even this one small habit can make a big difference in your overall health. Many older adults find they breathe easier, have fewer mouth infections, and even feel more alert once their tongue hygiene improves. It's one of those quiet, simple changes that pays off far more than you would expect. As we continue, let's move to a part of the body that works harder than almost anything else, yet receives the least attention: your feet. Most people dawn to think about foot hygiene beyond a quick rinse in the shower or a bit of lotion when they remember. But your feet are far more important than most people realize, especially as you age. They aren't just what help you walk. They're part of your balance system, your circulation system, and even your nervous system. When the feet aren't cared for properly, the problems that begin there can spread upward, affecting the ankles, knees, hips, back, and even your heart health. Your feet truly are the foundation that supports the rest of your body. As we age, blood circulation naturally becomes less efficient, and the feet are often the first place where this shows up. Cold toes, swelling, pale or dark patches of skin, and a heavy, tired feeling after walking can all be signs that the feet are not getting the blood flow they need. Poor circulation isn't just uncomfortable. It affects how well your tissues heal, how stable you feel when walking, and how easily your body fights off infections. Additionally, the skin on the feet becomes thinner and drier with age, which means it can crack more easily. These small cracks can invite bacteria or fungus inside, sometimes leading to infections that take a long time to heal. Another issue that many older adults face is reduced sensation in the feet. Sometimes this comes from nerve changes, diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, or past injuries. When the nerves in the feet become weaker, it becomes harder to feel small cuts, heat, cold, or even slight changes in pressure. This can affect your balance without you even realizing it. Something as simple as stepping on a small pebble or slipping on a damp tile can become dangerous if your nerves don't respond quickly. The good news is that proper foot care can prevent many of these issues and can greatly improve comfort, confidence, and stability. Foot hygiene starts with intentional washing. Standing in the shower and letting water run over your feet isn't enough. In older adults, sweat, bacteria, and dead skin tend to collect around the toes, especially in the spaces between them. If not cleaned properly, this can lead to fungal infections, unpleasant odor, irritation, and even painful sores. A soft washcloth and mild soap are all you need. Gently clean the tops, sides, bottoms, and especially between each toe. Think of the toes as little shelves. If dust stays between them, problems begin to grow. Warm water works best because it opens pores and softens skin, but very hot water should be avoided because it dries the skin further. Drying the feet is just as important as washing them. In fact, many podiatrists say the most overlooked step in foot hygiene is drying between the toes. Imagine putting away a stack of clean dishes while they are still wet. Moisture trapped between the surfaces would eventually cause mold. The same thing happens with toes. Damp spaces create the perfect environment for fungus to thrive. Using a soft towel, gently pat each toe dry. Take your time, especially if you have trouble bending. A long-handled towel tool can help. Once the feet are fully dry, applying a little moisturizer to the heels and soles helps keep the skin soft and prevent cracks. However, lotion should never be applied between the toes, because moisture trapped there can cause infections instead of preventing them. This balance, dry between the toes, soft on the heels, keeps feet healthy and resilient. A healthy foot routine also includes paying attention to the skin and nails. Changes in color, new spots, thickened nails, or areas that feel unusually warm or cold are worth noticing. Your feet act like your body's early warning system. They often show signs of circulation issues, nerve changes, or infections long before other parts of the body do. Taking a few seconds each day to look at your feet, the same way you might check your dashboard lights before driving, helps catch small problems before they become major ones. Caring for your feet is one of the most powerful ways to protect your independence. When your feet feel strong and healthy, you walk more, you move more confidently, and you maintain better balance. And when you stay active, everything else, your heart, lungs, mood, and joints, stays healthier too. That is why I always tell my viewers on Senior Wisdom Daily, your feet carry your whole life. Treat them kindly, and they'll support you for years to come. Now, let's move to another part of the body nearly everyone overlooks: the armpits. Most people think of their underarms as nothing more than a place where deodorant goes, a spot we worry about only because of sweat or odor. But your armpits are far more important than that, especially as you grow older. They are home to a network of lymph nodes, delicate structures that quietly support your immune system every single day. These lymph nodes help filter waste, remove toxins, and fight bacteria and viruses before they spread. Think of your underarms as a major drainage center for keeping your body clean on the inside. When this area becomes clogged with sweat, deodorant residue, dead skin cells, or bacteria, the lymph nodes have to work much harder. And over time, this can weaken your immune response. As we age, the skin under the arms often becomes more sensitive and more prone to irritation. Older adults naturally produce less oil in the skin, which means the underarm area can become dry or itchy more easily. Sweat glands also change with age, sometimes producing stronger odors because of shifts in hormones and changes in natural bacteria on the skin. And if the underarms aren't cleaned thoroughly, not just rinsed, but gently cleansed, residue from deodorants, antiperspirants, and body oils can stay trapped in the folds of the skin. This buildup can cause irritation, redness, and small bumps that many people mistake for allergic reactions. In reality, these problems often come from simple neglect and can be prevented with a little extra care. Cleaning your underarms properly doesn't require scrubbing or harsh products. In fact, aggressive scrubbing can make things worse by creating tiny cuts that allow bacteria to enter. Instead, the best approach is gentle and consistent care. Using warm water helps open the pores and soften the skin. A soft cloth or gentle sponge works much better than fingers alone. Cleaning in slow circular motions, followed by wiping gently in all directions, up, down, and side to side, ensures that sweat, deodorant buildup, and dead skin cells are fully removed. Many people simply swipe a washcloth once and move on, but taking a moment to clean more intentionally can make a world of difference. Choosing the right soap also matters. Strongly scented or harsh soaps can strip the natural oils from underarm skin, leading to dryness and irritation. For older adults, this dryness can lead to cracks, which in turn can invite infection. A mild fragrance-free soap is usually the safest choice, as it cleans without disturbing the skin's natural balance. After washing, rinsing thoroughly is essential because leftover soap residue can cause itching or even rashes later in the day. Drying the underarms is another step many people overlook. Just like with the feet, moisture left behind can become a breeding ground for bacteria. Gently patting the area dry with a soft towel helps keep the skin healthy, smooth, and less prone to irritation. Some people find that letting the area air dry for a minute before applying deodorant or antiperspirant helps reduce redness and allows the product to work more effectively. When the skin is clean and dry, deodorant stays on the surface where it belongs instead of mixing with sweat or bacteria. Taking proper care of the underarms can lead to benefits that go far beyond smelling fresh. Many older adults who switch to more intentional underarm care notice less irritation, fewer bumps, smoother skin, and a general feeling of lightness and cleanliness throughout the day. Some even report feeling more energetic. This isn't surprising. When the lymphatic system can drain waste more efficiently through the underarms, the body has more energy to support healing, digestion, and movement. In fact, some experts believe that clogged underarms can subtly slow the immune system, making you feel fatigued without understanding why. Another benefit is emotional comfort. When you feel clean and confident, you move differently. You feel more at ease during social interactions, more motivated to go outside, and more comfortable wearing clothing that doesn't irritate the skin. Small improvements in hygiene can create a ripple effect through your daily routine, boosting both physical and emotional well-being. This is why I always tell my viewers at Senior Wisdom Daily, every part of the body has something important to say, even the parts we forget about. When we care for these hidden areas, we support not just our hygiene, but our health, our comfort, and our confidence. With just a few minutes a day, your underarms can go from being an afterthought to a quiet source of strength for your immune system and overall well-being. As we reach the final part of today's lesson, I want to bring your attention to two small areas that most people forget about entirely: your nose and your belly button. These may seem simple, even insignificant, but the truth is, they play a bigger role in your daily comfort and long-term well-being than most people realize. Your nose is your body's natural air filter. Every breath you take brings in dust, pollen, germs, and tiny particles you can't see, and your nose traps them before they reach your lungs. But just like any filter, it needs care. Over time, mucus dries, irritants collect, and the nasal passages become inflamed. This can make breathing harder, lead to snoring, cause morning congestion, and even reduce oxygen flow to the brain. Many people don't realize that simply rinsing the nose with warm water or using a gentle saline spray can dramatically improve breathing. And when your breathing improves, so does your energy, sleep quality, and mental clarity. Even inhaling steam from a warm shower helps loosen mucus and soothe irritated airways. It doesn't take much. Just a few mindful moments each day can restore comfort and ease to your breathing. Now let's talk about a tiny place almost nobody pays attention to: the belly button. It might seem like a small detail, but your belly button collects sweat, oil, and dead skin, just like any other fold of the body. Because it sits low and stays warm, it can trap moisture and develop an odor or irritation if not cleaned regularly. Many older adults don't notice anything at first, but over time, buildup can cause itching or infection. The good news is that caring for your belly button takes only a few seconds. Gently clean it with warm water and mild soap, then dry it well afterward. Keeping this tiny area clean helps maintain skin health, reduces odor, and prevents small infections from becoming bigger problems. Even the smallest parts of our body deserve a little attention, because your comfort depends on them more than you might think. And now, as we bring everything together, I want you to remember something important. Hygiene isn't just about looking clean. It's about supporting your immune system, protecting your circulation, improving your breathing, and maintaining your independence. These small habits, cleaning the tongue, caring for the feet, washing the underarms properly, supporting your nasal passages, and tending to the belly button, are simple, gentle acts of self-respect. They take only minutes, but they can make your days more comfortable and your years more vibrant. Here at Senior Wisdom Daily, I always say this: the small things you do for yourself today become the strengths you carry into tomorrow. You deserve to feel fresh, confident, and healthy in every stage of life. And each of these overlooked hygiene habits is a quiet investment in your well-being, the kind that adds up over time in ways you can feel every single day. Before we end, I'd love to know, which of these 5 areas surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. Your insights help others learn too. And if you found today's video helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue bringing you simple science-backed tips to live healthier, stronger, and more comfortably. Thank you for spending your time with me today. This is Senior Wisdom Daily, wishing you peace, health, and strength, one small habit at a time.